Hi, what's up everybody? We're back with another video. I'm sorry, not weird, just me. Hubby's at work, but I thought I'd like to have him here with us anyway. So we're actually going to be showing you a video today on how to organize your pantry. And we're going to do that right after this. Hello everybody, this week's video is going to be organization on the pantry. As you can see right now, there's no organization and it is starting to get on my nerves. So what I'm going to do is try to get this organized. I have some different type of I guess you call them crates or bins or whatever you want to call them that I'm going to put my items in, so hopefully it won't end up like this again. So we will see. So right now I am actually going to take this stuff out and then redo everything, and we're going to see what it looks like when I get back. Okay, before I take all this stuff out, and it's a lot of work, I'm going to take my own version of my fast motion potion. Oh my gosh, do you see all this stuff was stacked in there? So now I gotta put it back. Oh, my back. I'm so tired. I'll see you in a few when I decide what I want to do with all this. Okay, here is our empty pantry. Okay, so in the essence of time, everything has been put into these bins that I actually purchased off Amazon. So this is the first one that I got, and we actually put the kids' snacks in here, make it easy for them to access. Just go in and grab something and keep going. Okay, and these we also got from Amazon as well. Now with these, I actually, I know we're seasonal now, but at some point we are going to be going to other campgrounds. So what I actually did was have glass and plastic next to each other. That way when you're traveling, the glass isn't hitting against each other and could break. So we do have, like I said, plastic and glass side by side rather than glass by glass. Have my canned goods here. Kids snacks, and yes, I'm blaming the kids. Kids snacks. And stuff like hot chocolate, rice, croutons, and stuff like that. So I wanted it to look something like a store, so you're not looking around and have a bunch of boxes in your pantry. Make it look a little more organized and easy to access. So these containers we actually got from Family Dollar. So this will just use and put seasonings in. This way, you know, you could just, if you need multiple seasonings, you could just actually just grab the bin and then take it outside or over to your stovetop, whatever you want, just to make it a little easier on yourself. Okay, I also wanted to remind you, this is just my preference, I try to put things that are glass or heavy on this shelf, so when the pantry door closes, just in case you're traveling, it won't hit the glass. I'm sure it's pretty thick glass, but just for my own peace of mind, I always use this shelf or this shelf. I would not put it up here just in case. Better safe than sorry, right? So now I'm also going to put some breakfast items in here too, stuff like cereal. My favorite pancake mix. And some crackers. And on the bottom shelf here is where I'm actually going to put my paper goods. Well, they could go up top, but as you see, I'm kind of short, so I just prefer the stuff to be down here so it's easy for me to access. We also have storage up here as well, and that's where I keep my my griddle. Thank you so much, Nicole. She stopped by to visit us today. It's Nicole from Chesapeake KOA. She actually put that up there for me because I couldn't reach it. So now I'm going to store my paper goods down here on the bottom shelf again for us height challenge people. My favorite Ziploc bags. Can't leave home without them. And I think that's it. So now you can take a closer look of what it looks like afterwards. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I gotta thank you for making sure that I organize this correctly, because I'm not sure I would have done it without you. Thank you. Bye. Hi, we're back, and we hope that you enjoyed the video. If you need the link to it, just let us know. Just comment below, and we'll be more than happy to send it to you. It was just like our pantry became a catch-all for everything. We have a lot of people that camp with us, a lot of people that come and visit, and you know, when you're having a good time, you don't really pay attention to where things actually belong, and that goes for myself as well. So I hope this helps. I actually feel a lot better that it's done. So we'll be seeing you guys again next week, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And to the ones who've already done so, thank you so very much. You are so appreciated, and this is hoping that you have a wonderful weekend.